Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Infiniti G37 cabin air filter. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a new cabin air filter and a small Phillips head screwdriver. Ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine off. The cabin air filter is conveniently located behind the glove box on the passenger side of your vehicle. This simple task can significantly improve your car's air quality in about 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's access the filter housing. Begin by opening your glove box all the way. You will notice two stopper tabs, one on each side. Gently push in the sides of the glove box to release them. Next, locate the two damper arms, one on the left and one on the right. Carefully pull these arms off their mounting points. This allows the glove box to swing down further, giving you full access to the filter area. With the glove box out of the way, you will see a rectangular cover. This is the cabin air filter housing. There are typically two retaining clips, one on each side, holding this cover in place. Gently unclip these to release the cover. Once the cover is off, you can carefully pull out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Notice the direction of the airflow arrow on the old filter for proper installation of the new one. Now it's time to install your fresh cabin air filter. Make sure the airflow arrow on the new filter points downwards, matching the direction of the old one. Slide the new filter into the housing until it's fully seated. Replace the filter cover and snap the two retaining clips back into position. Finally, reattach the two damper arms and push the glove box back up until the stopper tabs engage. You're all done.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.